Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use swipe polls on Instagram. This feature is available on Instagram long time ago. Let's dive in and let's see how you can use it. So let's go into Instagram. So once you're on your Instagram, you can just go into your story, and after that, I just want you to take a picture, take a video, or even choose a video and the picture from your device's gallery. So after that, for example, let's just set an example on this screenshot that I just took. So right here, I want you just to go into this sticker. Alright, so tap on it, and right here, I want you to go into the polls. Okay, so once you tap on polls right here, you can change the question section, or to type something right here, and after that you will type the options right here, and you can also choose the color from that one. Alright, so after you are finished, you can just tap on done, and then it will be applied on your story. And also there is a swipe pool right here. It's this one, and you can ask how much you are angry, and then put that emoji and done. And after that you can just replace it on the place that you want it to be on your story. Alright, this is one. Let's go into two. The second option is to go into a conversation, and right here, what I want you to do is to go into this plus icon and tap on it, and right here you can see pool. So you can just tap on pool, and you can fill these blanks, and after that you can tap on create pool after you are finished, of course, and then it will be on the group chat or on the conversation. Anyways guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video for encourage us, and thank you so much for watching.